Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a fork and headset installation. I have a Odyssey R25 with a Sunday headset. So first we're going to grease the fork. Put a little grease in the headset. There we go. Also, fork. Gonna take the headset bearing, slide onto the fork. Slide the fork into the frame. Gonna take the second bearing, slide it on top. Fit that down into the headset. Next, we're going to take the wedge, slide it over the fork. It goes in between the bearing. There's a couple of spacers that go on top of the wedge. Now you're going to take your top cap, slide that down the fork. Couple spacers. Now we're going to go ahead and put the stem on. Slide that stem down. Next is going to be the top cap. We want to take a 6mm. Tighten down the headset with the top cap. Now you can take your 6mm, tighten down pinch bolts. That is the correct way to install a fork and headset and stem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Tune in next time for another bike repair. Thanks.